Hey loves, I'm Jennifer and welcome to my channel. If you like cookie decorating, DIY crafts and more, you're in the right place. Now today I'm going to be making a Christmas ladder. Now this project was inspired by Bargain Bethany, so check out her channel. I'm going to be using all products from Dollar Tree, so let's get started. And guys, I do apologize. My voice is going to be cracking a little bit because I feel like I'm coming down with something. I'm starting off by measuring my pool noodles to see how tall I can make my ladder. I decided to make 3 steps, so I'm cutting the steps from my 2 noodles. If I had a third noodle, I could have made my ladder taller and cut the steps out from the third one, but I'm just using what I have. Now that the steps are cut out, I got some white tape from Walmart and I am wrapping the tape around the full noodles just like it's a candy cane. This is looking so cute. I am so excited to see how it turns out. And I decided to go with 3 steps because 4 would just look a little crowded for this ladder's height. My little elves were purchased from Dollar Tree, so I'm going to sit these on the steps and I'm just positioning them to see how I like it. If you are still hanging out, I appreciate it so much. Please hit that subscribe button. Let's attach the steps. This was a little trial and error. When I first used hot glue against the pool noodles, I didn't think that it could melt the noodle. Duh. Then I used E6000 and it still wasn't attaching like I wanted. So what you can do is put a piece of tape where you plan to attach the steps, and that way the glue isn't touching the pool noodle, it's going to touch the tape, and that's going to prevent the pool noodle from melting. Now it's time to attach your elves or whatever decoration you want on your ladder. You can use double-sided tape, but I found that using wire and tying the elf to the ladder worked out. I also added a gingerbread man to the bottom. What I learned from this project is don't put hot glue on pool noodles. Also, buy pool noodles when I see them at Dollar Tree so I can make some cool crafts. Thanks so much for watching, my loves. Let me know if you try this craft out. It's such a fun piece to add to my decor, and I will be making a taller ladder for next year. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone.